In this video, we're going to see how to set up a wallet functionality. Let's get started. Open your dashboard. Click on Terra Wallet. And then click on Settings here. In this page, first you need to enter your amount here. And then, select your payment method. Let's select the credit option first. Enter your description below. And click on Save Changes. So we successfully credited amount in user wallet. Let's see how you can debit amount from user wallet. Open your dashboard. Click on Terra Wallet. Click on Settings. Enter your amount here. Select Debit option. Add your description below. And then click on Save Changes. So we successfully debited amount in user wallet.